Brown seaweed forests of the genus Cystoseira cinculato are one of the most productive marine ecosystems in the Mediterranean Sea. They act as ecosystem engineers and create marine forests, diverse habitats which provide a multitude of ecosystem services. Like terrestrial forests, marine forests have a canopy and associated understory assemblages. But, due to human disturbances in the last decades, Cystoseira forest loss has been observed all around the Mediterranean Sea. They are often replaced by less complex communities, such as algal turfs, which are less productive and host a lower biodiversity. In recent studies, it has been argued as well that the loss of marine forests and the increase of algal turfs could facilitate bloom of Ostreopsis, a harmful dinoflagellate regularly blooming in the Mediterranean Sea in the last decades and causing health issues as much as ecologic and economic consequences.
Hi, my name is Joran. I am a first-year student in marine science at the University of Côte d'Azur, and for the past 4 months I've been conducting my internship here in the Côte d'Azur at the EcoSeas lab of the University of Côte d'Azur under the supervision of Luisa Mahilajo, Anne-Marie Nisuma-Kumo and Florian Boyer.
The decline of Cystoseira forest has triggered multiple projects involving research, conservation and restoration efforts in the Mediterranean. ForRescue is a 3-year-long project that began in 2023, consisting of 9 partner universities of the European Union that aim to build on these past projects. Its aim is to increase understanding of Cystoseira ecology, detail their distribution and threats they're facing, and to propose conservation measures. Every partner of ForRescue has their own responsibilities, but also cooperate with each other to reach global objectives.
At EcoSea, we are measuring the fragmentation of our populations using transects, quadrats and drone mapping. In a fragmented and non-fragmented population, we collected samples for our partner universities to study eDNA, epiphytic vegetation, microbiome and the population genetics of Gongoraia barbata.
Researchers at EcoSeas are studying the mechanisms of reproduction and the effects of grazing on Cystoseira populations. They are also highly involved with stakeholders and the organisation of local and international meetings. A questionnaire was designed for local stakeholders to gauge interest and to better the ForRescue project.
During my internship, I was able to support all aspects of the project. I joined field missions for sampling and also supported sample treatment back in the lab. This has given me some very valuable skills, from learning how to identify multiple algae species, experimental design, intertidal ecology, and also a lot of lab work.
In this lab, I spent many hours counting the abundances of Ostreopsis on biofilm of seaweed and in the surrounding water in samples that were collected last year from 2 sites where Cystoseira was lost. Now we have data of previous years as well, and we will be collecting data as well this year on this. So it'll be really interesting to check out what are the different variables, what's the different intensities through time of these Ostreopsis blooms, because it will be really important for future health measures. But of course, these are all ideas, and that's more for the future. And does the future hold many exciting things? First of all, I will be continuing my internship until the end of July, with many more lab and field experiments to come as they are really kicking into high gear. After that, it will be up to me to analyze all the Ostreopsis data for my report in December, which is also really exciting. So before I end this short documentary, I would like to say that this has been an incredible internship and an incredible experience to be guided by so many people, so knowledgeable in their respective fields. I've learned a ton and it's an amazing theme, and I would like to really say that this video, I hope, showed my excitement for this project. I hope you enjoyed the video too. Thank you for watching.